Okay, so hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've got a really exciting video for you. I'm going to do get ready with me for my glam makeup look. So it's like a get ready with me makeup tutorial kind of thing. This is my makeup I've been doing every time I go out. I did it for Valentine's Day, got a party at the weekend. It's makeup I've been doing for them. And like a really pale ghost right now, so I need to get myself looking 9 out of 10. So yeah, before I actually get into the actual makeup, I'm going to be showing you something to do with skin that's been really helping my skin like this past month or so. I've been using this UFO device by the brand Foreo and I was amazed. If you're going to wear makeup, you want your skin to be nice and you want it to feel all good and fresh and nice. So before we do my makeup, I'm going to be doing something very exciting and showing you what my skin has been loving recently. So basically this is the Foreo UFO Smart Mask Treatment Device. It's an advanced face mask that works in just 90 seconds. The treatment combines Korean inspired sheet mask. I've been using it for a while now and it just feels really nice and just makes you feel fresh and amazing. I got it in the mint colour. You can get it in a few different colours and it's really easy to use. I'm going to show you how I use it in a minute. So obviously you can actually buy separately all different kind of masks you want. They all do different things for your face. Obviously, like I said, you do get sent the first one with it, so you kind of get like a little sample with it. This little mask right here is even more effective than a natural one. Basically the masks are specifically made to go hand in hand with the UFO, so you need to use them together. You can't just like put it on, you need the UFO for them because that's how it works. The reason you need to use them together is because the Foreo mask is a lot better and effective than an at-home mask. It's all down to the cycro and thermotherapy of the pulsations. Thermotherapy mode was created to provide a comfortable, gentle heat to the skin. It instantly warms to soften and prep skin, which makes the mask ingredients infuse deeper. It boosts circulation and moves nutrients around the body. And another really good thing is it also results in smaller looking pores. Psychotherapy instantly lifts and firms skin whilst shrinking the appearance of pores and reducing puffiness. The UFO temperatures do vary depending on the treatment routine, but we'll talk about that and show you that in a minute when we do like the mask. So basically it's got a light on it, as you can see when you put it on your face. It's 3 photo facials in one device. There's a red, blue, green LED light. The red LED helps banish signs of aging for younger looking skin. The green LED brightens up complexion. And the blue LED helps reduce the appearance of imperfections. T-sonic pulsations helps light diffuse deeper into pores and also provides a soothing facial massage. Okay, so I'm at my bathroom now and I'm about to use my UFO. With the UFO, I roughly use it probably about 4 times a week. Actually depends on the week really. Since using the UFO, I've been much more confident because it makes my skin feel more refreshing and bright. So obviously when you feel good about your skin, you feel good about everything. It's made my skin look so clear and vibrant. I think this product is literally revolutionary and I was really just surprised that I could find a product this good. It is genuinely so smart how it just like works with the app, which we'll get onto now. So you download the app Foreo, you connect your device with your phone via Bluetooth. So you put in all your information such as your email, your name, and just stuff like that. You connect your device with your phone via Bluetooth. It asks you to scan the barcode of the mask you're using with your UFO. So the barcode's just there. So obviously when you scan the barcode, it tells the UFO what kind of mask you're using because obviously you have all different masks. It basically tells it what settings to use to get the best effectiveness for your skin. So it makes it customizable to get the optimal treatment routine with that specific mask. If you really want, you can use the UFO without the app, but you might as well just do it because it makes it more customizable and just more better and fun. Basically, going on app, I don't know if you can see that well, but you'll get the gist when you have the app. What you do is you take this thing off, the ring, and then you open your mask. You have to scan the barcode.
Secure the UFO activated mask to your device.
Basically, like I was saying, you take it out, take the mask out. So you get the mask, it doesn't really matter which way you have it facing up, and it just fits nicely. And then once you have that on, put the ring back on. So your ring's back on, and it's exciting, so I'm going to press start.
Use a circular motion as you gently glide UFO across your face. And a gentle warmth. Prepare your skin to receive the full benefits of this complex.
So obviously it's just really relaxing, it feels so nice. It's the red LED and thermotherapy. So because I've got oily skin and quite dirty skin, whenever I use this it feels so refreshing and makes my skin feel really clean. The UFO improves my beauty routine because it's quick and effective and it just makes things so easy and nice. After using the UFO, your skin feels so ridiculously clean and soft. My favourite thing about the UFO is that it comes with an app because it makes it easy and fun. I tend to use the UFO after the gym. I've noticed that using this after a few months, my skin already has a lot less pores and it's made my skin looking much more radiant. It only takes 90 seconds, however with some different masks it does vary. The ingredients in a UFO mask are even more effective than a natural one. So it's more effective than the ones you use at home, which is your everyday sheet mask. This is because of the cyclone and thermotherapy and T-sonic pulsations. Because of all the ingredients being absorbed by the skin. That is how dirty my skin was. So that literally right there just proves that when you can use all the wipes and cleanse in the world for when you take makeup off, but like literally in them clips you wouldn't think I had any of that on my skin, but here we are. Look at that. The white bits are the bits that obviously didn't touch my skin. I can't believe that. That is why you need this in your life. You can use the UFO without the app, however there's not really much point because you might as well get the app and have a more fun experience. You can also customise your power mask treatment routine. So obviously after using a normal masks, like a sheet mask even, you take it off and you just think, oh I've got to wash my face, do you know what I mean? But the great thing about the UFO is that you literally don't need to. Like the hyperinfusion technology is designed to help mask essence absorb deeper into the skin, therefore you don't need to wash it off with water. So that is the use of the UFO. It is incredible, and honestly if you just want to treat yourself, go do it. If you want to ask for it for your birthday, Christmas, whatever, just do it. If you want to buy someone a Mother's Day present, they will literally love this because there's so many things for anti-wrinkle if your mum's a little bit old. But it's just such a good present overall. I know all the boys out there that are watching this, which will probably be none, go and buy them with your girlfriend because any girl would love this. Okay, so back to the makeup. This is just my everyday makeup I've been doing recently. I feel like I've really perfected it. Talk you through everything I do. And by the way, my foundation might be a bit too orange for my face, but that's because my tan's not at its darkest. It's like ready to scrub off soon. The first thing I use is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. This is just a moisturiser I use and I feel like it really helps just my skin feel nice. And I actually got this recommendation off Ellie Darby. And it lasts forever. I've had it since, I bought it in like October, didn't I? My skin feels so smooth now after using that 4-day stuff. Just rubbing it in my skin. I've had a few spots come up because my period's come in, so. Well, I've got like a crumble in my eyebrows. I've got like crumbly eyebrows. Is that a spot or crumble? Okay, so now I've got my moisturiser on. I'm looking fresh. Sorry about the little booby shake. Oh wait, I'm gonna be demonetised, sorry. Yeah, you can't do anything these days. That spot is god awful. Then I use the Real Techniques Beauty Blender. I just like this one better than the original Beauty Blender. I never had the original one, but you know, it looks better because it's more flat. I like the flatness. And I use the Nars Foundation, and this is in the shade Syracuse, something like that. I actually wish I got the shade lighter than this, but in the store it was really bright, so you know. But it's fine, I just put more like a concealer on, so it just turns it like a bit lighter anyway. I do like this cheek first. My brother's gonna die, she's a fuzzy bop. Just put it on. I look a bit like an orange mess, but when I'm pale, because it's so orange, I don't want to miss out any bit. Other side, bitches. Oh, sorry, can't. Why, I'll get demonetised. My boyfriend's laughing at me, so that's really good. Why are you laughing at me, Alice? Announce to everyone. Yes, we orange. See, I've been orange. Okay, so now, obviously, if it does look orange, because obviously it probably does, that is because usually my neck is darker anyway, and like my chest. I might actually zip my jacket up. And then, obviously, now what I do, let's check. There's orange all over my face, not any white bits. And then I use the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in shade Light to Vanilla. And what I do with this, I just, let me get my mirror, do like a little, I'm going to do a lot, like thickish concealer. Do you guys get me? And then I just obviously use the same blush sponge. We got bright and bit right. It's really annoying, this mirror. I might have to. And I'm more bright now and less orange. And then obviously to make myself even more less orange, I'm gonna put some forehead. This is what I do every day. Nose, because they're the bits of your face that are naturally brighter. We're gonna go up there in a minute. So they're the bits of your face that are naturally brighter. And then obviously, because we like to get it to be darker there, what I do is do that. obviously it probably still doesn't match very well, but I don't care. Yeah, okay, so I don't know, it's really aching my arm. My boyfriend's gonna hold the thing for me, so I'm really happy. So if I look over here, that's because obviously my boyfriend is holding the camera. Okay, now I can't see myself. You hold it like that and I'll move where it needs to be. Okay, and then what I do next, I don't really tend to use powder. I know I probably should, but I don't really know how to use powder that well. Sounds a bit stupid, I know, but now what I like to use is the Sunkissed Tropical Bronze like set thing, and I use the contour in it. It has like highlight, blush, bronzer, but I use the contour. And I use my Real Techniques sculpting brush, so that's a really good brush. Okay, and then I've actually hit pan on it, which I'm really proud of. I used to always want to do that when I loved makeup. Right back. Does anyone remember when I loved makeup? I had like 10k subscribers, so I highly doubt you do. And then I blend that under my jaw to get a snatched jaw. I do my forehead. I do one side at a time, by the way, so I'm doing this side for now. I do my forehead, blend it down, and there. And then obviously we're going to do the other side of the face now. Yeah, and we're all oh, and the nose, obviously. Got to do my god-awful massive nose. I don't know why, but I just use this big brush. I really cannot be bothered to get small. I literally am so careless when it comes to my makeup though, but like, it just kind of works, you know what I mean? Makeup done, I'm joking. Right, next is, hello, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, the sugar one. And it literally just depends what mood I'm in for what shade I'm going to use. I'm going to use Starburst today, the little pinkish one. I'm going to put it here, where you naturally put it, and then here. And then I don't have a little brush, I lost it, so I use the back of my lash extension brush. I know it's a bit weird. And I put it in my inner corner. I love highlight on the front of the face. I don't like it on the side as much, that's why I don't put much on, like on my actual cheek. But I like it to be really prominent. If there's anything that's natural about this. Dip down the nose a bit, and there. If you make any mistakes, just get your beauty blender. Yeah, that is basically my makeup nearly done. And then I'm going to do eyebrows. So I use the, I don't even know how bad I look right now, so just ignore me. This is the NYX micro brow pencil in shade Espresso. So what I do with this is I just brush my brows as I would normally, and then I have quite naturally nice brows, I'd say. So when I do it, I just kind of follow my line, and you'll see how I do it. So I do that. I feel like they don't look the same. Guys, I don't know how my eyebrows look, so if they look horrible, please ignore that. I'm just going to brush my eyelashes, because I get eyelash extensions. I'll put the lady that does them down below. These are just my more natural ones I've been getting for school, so I don't get told off. And it's one of the girls from my school's watching this is now going to snake on me as their teacher again. So if you were the girl that did that, wow, I love you. Thank you. And then now I just use an MUA eyeliner, because I don't know, I don't want to spend loads of money on eyeliner. There we go. It looks really weird without mascara on. Eyeliner on. Then once I have my eyeliner on, I do my bottom mascara using the Rimmel Day Tonight. I've been using the same mascara for years because I went to a makeup lesson when I was 11 and they recommended it. I have such nice bottom lashes. My top lashes are another statement I'm going to talk about. And now the last thing I do is my combo of lip that I've been doing every day. The Barry M lip liner in Russet from Barry M. Done my lip liner. And then what I do is I use my Victoria's Secret lip gloss in the colour Sugar High. It's the flavoured lip gloss, and I just put it on. It kind of just blends in. Yeah, and my lips look really weird on the ring light, I don't know why. Yeah, so it's my finished makeup look. Make sure you go check out Foreo. All the links will be down below. And I'm going to go wipe this off and cry about how I look. Love you all. Bye.